Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you my newest plugin for OBS Studio. This plugin will save you hours from post-processing your videos for shorts and reels. Before we go further with installing and showing you how the plugin works, please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave a comment below for more content like this. That being said, let's jump into action. We will start by downloading the plugin from my resources portfolio. All you have to do is click the link in the description, then click on download and wait for a lifetime.
2,000 years later.
Download the desired one. I will download the one for Windows, so Windows 64. Save it anywhere on the disk. And in the folder, you'll have two other folders with bin and 64-bit. Just copy the DLL in your OBS Studio installation folder, OBS plugins, and 64-bit. And of course, I already have it installed. And let's jump into OBS Studio to show you how to configure and how to use the plugin. Alright, we are back in OBS Studio, and assuming that plugin installation went smoothly, if you go under Tools, you will see a new option called Audio Streams for Audio Streams Recorder. Click on it, and you'll be prompted with a dialog with three panels. Of course, in the general, you'll have the triggers. You can select to save the audio as separate wave file, only when you are recording, only when you are streaming, or when you are doing both. For the output folder, I suggest you to use documents or any other partition that it's not Windows, because OBS Studio may have issues saving the files due to all the security systems in Windows. So probably the best bet would be either user videos or user documents. Then we have the audio sources panel, where you can select what audio sources you want to save separately in that folder. Of course, you can use custom alias for each audio. If you double click, you will be able to edit, and this is the output file name that will be saved. And in the processing, you'll have various options to save the audio with the best quality possible. That's all with the configuration. Now let's show you how it works. Click OK. Now, if I click on Start Recording, you won't see anything special. But when I will stop the recording and go to my folder, so if I go in my documents, stems, you'll see I have another folder with the recording. And here I have all the audio sources. Even if they are blank, they are still saved. But let's show you the ones that are saved. So in my stems, I have the folder and the two audio sources saved here. Of course, if one of your audio sources is not used, you can just go to Tools and uncheck. That's pretty much it about this plugin. Hope it comes in handy and help you save a lot of time when you are post-processing your shorts and your reels. If you guys like this content, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. See you on the next one.